So, what works better for male enhancement, the patch or the pill? Penis enlargement is not a new concept by any means, and all kinds of men all over the world have experimented and tested a wide range of male enhancement products. Pills, lotions, lengthening devices, creams, and exercises have all been used, discussed, reviewed, and commented on over the years, but it seems that everyone has a differing opinion on what works best. The fact is that different products and strategies work for different people, and while penis pills have been proven in many ways to work well, there are a number of people that simply do not believe in or want to take a pill every day. Sometimes a few products even rely on having you take 3 or 4 pills each and every day, and that is when it simply becomes annoying and quite inconvenient. And that is why for many men a male enhancement patch is a better choice in many ways than other enhancement products on the market. Taking pills can be a pain, and it is easy to forget when to take them or stay on track. Can you imagine how many unplanned pregnancies would come about if men were responsible for taking a birth control pill every day? Many men would prefer to forget having to choke down a few pills every day in order to increase the size of your erections, and instead say hello to Pro-Enhanced transdermal patches. This convenient and effective patch can be placed on any part of your body that does not have hair and can be left in place for up to 3 days. The Pro-Enhanced patch can stay on during showers, swimming, sports activities, or any other sweaty activity that you may be engaging in. That means that all you have to do is put it on and get ready to see the benefits. On top of that, using the patch also ensures that you are always getting the right dosage of the ingredients that you need. Injections, pills, and even lotions bring forward a big dosage all at the same time, and often your body simply does not know what to do with it or where to put it. The patch slowly releases the necessary ingredients over time and guarantees the right amount over the course of the 3 days. As if that wasn't enough, in contrast to a pill, the patch also ensures that all of the potent penis-enhancing ingredients can be absorbed directly into your bloodstream without having to be digested or bypass your stomach. That means a more direct focus on the benefits that this male enhancement product can bring. So, if you are a man debating on whether to go with the patch or the pill, to increase your sex drive, achieve maximum-sized erections and improve stamina, then the Pro-Enhanced transdermal patch is definitely something worth looking into. That is especially true considering the fact that it comes with a full money-back guarantee and provides absolutely zero side effects. What their customers are saying. Jonah, I've tried every kind of penis enhancement there is and got absolutely nothing for my efforts. I found your website and tried them out and finally got some results. It's now 2 months later and I feel great. So does my girlfriend. I'm no longer a joke in bed. Michael, thank you so much for actually putting together a product that really works. I have been cursed with sexual problems all my life. I was amazed when a month later everything was working better, harder, stronger, and the control. I feel like Casanova now. Click the link in the description below for complete product information and your 67-day no-risk trial offer.